Hey, welcome to MB Chef. I'm going to show you how to make a vegan blueberry crisp. Great any time of year and very easy to make. So here we go. So for my blueberry crisp, I'm just going to take 3 cups of blueberries, fresh blueberries, washed, and put them into an 8x8 ungreased baking dish. Next, I'm going to sprinkle the berries with the lemon juice. And in a separate bowl, I'm mixing the remaining ingredients. So I have brown sugar, flour, oats. I'm adding my cinnamon, my salt, whoa, too much. And then I'm adding my melted buttery spread, and I'm just going to mix this all together. Crumbly mixture. And then I'm just adding the mixture over the top of the blueberries. I'm going to bake this 375 for 30 minutes, uncovered, until the berries are nice and bubbly and the top is nice and golden brown. They're playing my song. That's my cue. Here it is, right out of the oven. Great summer or anytime dessert. Enjoy!